पिछले वीडियो में रियलाइज नहीं किया था कि मेरी वीडियो अटक गई थी. सो इफ यू जस्ट सॉरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो इस वीडियो में लास्ट टेबल बचा फैक्ट एप्लीकेशन. सो लेट्स go and start importing our applications data. Go to browse. Alright, and that is what we'll do in this video. Hopefully it works fine. SQL चालू करेंगे. We'll start exploring our data in the future videos. इस वीडियो में सिर्फ हमारा लास्ट टेबल इंपोर्ट करेंगे. Alright, fact application schema is correct. Next. And let's look at the column mapping. App ID, date tag, date action, outcome ID, QID, analyst ID, store ID, message. Okay, looks good. The date looks good. Outcome ID, QID, analyst ID, store ID, all of that we have already imported. हमने ये सब IDs already import कर लिया, right? In that parent table. Okay, we'll go to next. Next, fingers crossed. Right, this will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video, and as soon as the status changes, I'll show you on the screen. Alright, so if you are importing the data, this is going to take some time, so be patient. When you click on show logs, right, you can confirm that yes, it is importing all the data. So this is a very good sign. We'll let it do its work. It has to import 50,000 records with all the relationships. So we'll wait for it to finish. I'm going to pause the video again and we'll come back once it's done. So अगर आप जब तुम डाउनलोड करोगे ना, इंपोर्ट करोगे ना डेटा, सो पकड़ के चलो एक 10-15 मिनट लगेगा इसको. Maybe it might take a little longer. ठीक है. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back once it's done. Alright. So this took some time, but finally applications data application table में import हो गया. Now अगर आप लोग जब इसको import करोगे ना, so it might take about 15-20 minutes depending on the connection. I don't know. For me, मैंने बहुत टाइम से मेरा कंप्यूटर रीस्टार्ट नहीं किया था, तो आई थिंक कैश काफ़ी बिल्ड हो गया रहेगा. सो इट वॉज टेकिंग अ हेल लॉट ऑफ टाइम. So I had to restart my machine, start the import again, and then finally I was able to import all the data into application tables. If you get any error, कुछ भी अगर problem होता है, just take just copy the error code and put it in the comment section so that I can take a look and see what's happening. Okay, once the data is inside, let's take a look कि अंदर का data देखते कैसे. So मुझे fact applications का data देखना है. So ideally what I would do is I will click on this little table here, this icon here. जिससे क्या होगा? It will run a default SQL query. Select star from. This is the database name. This is the table name, and then it will give you all the records. Now, ideally, it will not show you all the records. It will show you a few records. क्योंकि अगर पूरा 5,000 रिकॉर्ड दिखाने की कोशिश करेगा, तो it will take some time. So that's why it will show you a few records. Okay. Now with that said out of the way, in the next video, we will start looking at the example of foreign key versus primary key. Remember जब हम foreign key और primary key set कर रहे थे, तो हमने एक option select किया था, which was see this on update cascade on delete restrict. इसका example देखेंगे live. What does that even mean? कि अगर जब भी मैं कोई data add करता हूँ और अगर उसमें मैंने foreign key और primary key का relationship ठीक से follow नहीं किया, तो let's see what error we get. Okay, we'll see that in the next video. Bye.